I have filmed over 100 videos here on YouTube without a tripod, without a ring light. It's shocking. Are you shocked to hear this from me? Yes, I did it, okay? So what is your excuse for not starting up a YouTube channel? Yeah, I'm feeling myself today. Are you feeling me? Are you? I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Hello beautiful people, welcome to another video. Okay, it's Uju. Welcome to Uju's Space. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for your love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you. In today's video, I'll be unboxing a gift from a subscriber. Guys, the gift is so beautiful and it is well needed at this point. Okay, let me tell you a quick story behind this gift. So a few days ago, I got a call from a random number, or rather a strange number. The person was like, "Are you home? Hello, are you home?" I'm like, "No, he has an order for me." Okay, so I'm like, "Yes, I'm home." But at the point I was skeptical because I didn't order for anything. Okay, but at the same time, since he's bringing it to my house, there's nothing to worry about. So a few minutes later, he called me that he's at the gate. I picked it up. Okay, and lo and behold, the stuff was wrapped in a makeup bag. Okay, so in case if you don't know, my kid sister, she's a makeup artist. She's a professional makeup artist, like a makeup guru. She's a makeup plug. Guys, check her out on the Instagram. I'll leave her link here on the screen, her Instagram handle on the screen. She has a YouTube channel, but you know it's not functioning now. So I'll drop the link on the screen for you, and at the same time it will be on the description box. She's ready to travel anywhere. So I called her immediately. I was like, Oluchi, that's her name. I called her, "Luchi, did you send anything to my house?" Because randomly she sent things here and I know I deliver it back to her destination. So I called her. I was like, "Did you send anything to my house?" She said yes, that she did, but this time around it's for me. Like, I couldn't even believe my eyes. I was like, "Hey, yeah, thank you so much." All right, so out of curiosity and the speed, guys, look at the gifts. I devoured, like I thought the gift without mercy. Like, I couldn't wait to see what she has for me, and lo and behold, guys. Meanwhile, look at the pack. It has Nana Hawa Beauty Store. You know, the person sells both makeup products and accessories, ring lights, makeup chairs, and lots more boxes. Okay, I think the company is at Ikeja. Okay, yeah, I don't know. They wrote Ebeda, Lagos. I don't know where Ebeda is before. So, like, guys, I'll be showing you guys what my sister gifted me. She was like, "Uju, you deserve something good for hitting 1K subscribers on YouTube. That this is for me." You know, she's giving me this to encourage me to, what's it called, to encourage me to film more, okay, to make the work easier for me. And in case if you don't know, I have over 113 videos here on YouTube without a tripod. Like, the way I do this thing is magical. I'm filming without a tripod. Oh my god, it's funny, right? Like, I think I'm going to do behind the scene. Like, I will definitely try and do behind the scene of how I start things, books, and a lot more to create content for you guys, like anything for you. So she was like that she's gifting me this to make work easier for me. Guys, like, close your eyes, the channel. Guys, look at what this my sweet beautiful sister gave me. Look at that. Can you focus please? Like, she gifted me a tripod. Like, I am so excited. Like I am so excited. She was like, you know, take this. You've been so hardworking, for your consistency, for lots more. Take this. You know, you deserve everything beautiful. I had to call on video call immediately. Like, I was even crying, tears of joy. I was like, wow, guys, it is not just the gift for me. Like, it is the thought behind this gift. For me, this is actually a very thoughtful gift from a sweet person, like, you know, someone that wants to encourage you, you know. Although I know I needed a tripod, you know, I was planning to get this year, but she decided to gift me this breastfeed. Guys, like, it's the originality for me. This stuff is so beautiful. Like, it came in a pack like this. Okay, I don't know anything about tripod though. I will definitely read about it so I can be able to set it up myself. Like, Chimo. Like, I'll be dropping back to back now. There's no need to worry myself, you know, thinking of how to stack up things to make videos. Now I don't need to stack up anything. Okay. And this gift is so beautiful, guys. Like, it is so beautiful. I think this is phone holder, right? I don't know. Okay, let me drop this one here. This looks like a phone holder. Okay, I'll still figure it out. So it came with this. Okay, and then it has a, I think, a USB cord. I don't know. It has a USB cord, and this should be a phone holder, right? Yeah. And it also came, this is the real thing. I think this is the type. Oh, sorry. I don't know. So this is the stand, guys. This gift is so beautiful. I don't even know how to start from. Oh, I think I'm getting it. Guys, like, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? And it looks so strong. They can 20 years warranty. It looks so strong. Like, this is the name. Is it Flan? Can you see that? Like, guys, I just started to, like, immediately I got this, I decided to unbox it immediately so I can start using this. Like, please thank her for me. Like, this gift is so beautiful. I love this. Like, I love it so much. It's going to make filming very easy for me. Like, and it's, as in, I don't know what to say. I mean, right now I think I'm blabbing, and I'm going to end this vlog here. In case if you're, you know, young YouTubers, small YouTuber like me, and you've been procrastinating on starting a YouTube channel, you don't have a tripod, you don't have a ring light, I'm telling you right now that you don't need ring lights. Like, you don't need a ring light, you don't need a tripod to start up a YouTube channel. Just start. I did it, and I believe you can. For me to do it now, let me keep this before this thing will fall down from my hand. Hey, for my village people will come. This thing is so bright. Sorry. My village people will come and destroy this tripod for me. So as I was saying, sorry, this is an unboxing video now, and we don't need to make it classy. It shouldn't look classy. So as I was saying, if you're a young YouTuber and, you know, yet to start up your channel, I promise you don't need a ring light, you don't need a tripod. Just start from somewhere. Okay, if you want a tutorial on how to start up without a tripod, drop it in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section for me. I'm going to reply and read all your comments. Okay, then if you want to see behind the scene how I stack up things to make YouTube videos, even recipes, if you want to see how I do these things, just tell me, Uju. Please do it. You know, just let me know, and I'm going to make the video as requested. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. Guys, remember, Lush Contour, follow her on Instagram and say thank you to her. I will see you in my next video. Bye.